By H2K, we now have the final standings for the Challenger Summer Series. H2K, of course, have earned first place, and with the loss, SKP is now second. Unicorns of Love, of course, won the third place match yesterday to roll out the top three. They will now head to Los Angeles for the 2015 Spring Promotion Tournament that takes place on September 9th to 11th.
And while they're there, they will face the bottom-ranked teams from the LCS in a bid to replace them in the Spring 2015. We already know Gambit Gaming and the Copenhagen Wolves will be there, but whoever falls in the 5th place match between Super Hot Crew and Millenium will be the final team to fight for its life. Yeah,
that match will actually kick off the European playoffs next Thursday at Gamescom, beginning at 11 AM Central European Summer Time, which is 2 AM Pacific.
And the semi-final matches will take place on Friday, beginning with Fnatic taking on Rocket, followed by Alliance versus SK Gaming. And we'll have a third place game on Saturday, and the 2014 Summer Split final match takes place on Sunday as we crown a champion and #1 European seed heading into Worlds.
And that wraps up things for us today. Congratulations again to H2K for taking the Challenger Finals, and a special thank you to our friends at Coca-Cola. Thanks for joining us, guys. Good night. We'll see you at Gamescom.
SK Gaming versus Millenium in the quarterfinals. This is a best-of-5 series. It's going to be a quick pulverize. Jerry hasn't got the damage though to do anything. He is simply a support cow, not an aggressive top laner. That is going to be Millenium Ace. That is going to be SK taking game 1 of the series. Kevin jumps on towards it. The AD carry will go down. They can try and turn this one. Captain Surprise is going to blow up a Connect. Tries to sidestep. No, not enough. And rated. Dark Piney lands the gate. Chart follows through. And SK Gaming will take game 2 here in a dominant performance. Kevin will finally go down, and Rated takes all the damage. It's a 1-for-1 trade so far. Both top laners picked off. So it's going looking to try and finish this one. Can he find a flash? Is it 4 against 1 against 2? Fantastic. 3-0 for SK. Dominant performance here in the quarterfinals.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Summer Challenger Playoff Finals between H2K Gaming and SK Gaming Prime. Italy moving into it. Time
no,
it's taken away. Trashy able to get that one, and now Millenium joining in with the rest of the team. So game number 1 of the best-of-5 going over to H2K. Taken away straight away. Millenium going to get on to it, and he's going to go down. Uses the last charge of his ulti, and another binding onto Wonder Fox. He's going to dive in there. That was very risky play, but they're so far ahead at this point. We see H2K being ripped apart, but SK Gaming playing the best-of-5. He's got his ultimate running. Wonder Fox will be pulled up. Double kill coming in for Twisted Fate as Smitty joins the fight. Millenium's going to go down here. It's going to take a while. SK Gaming Prime going to win game number 4. It all comes down to game number 5. Just tanking up the entire team, gets another Twisted Fate as well. Managed to get the kill. He's not dead just yet. Finally finished off with a shutdown. And H2K focusing on the Nexus, win the game 3-2 and become the Summer Playoff champions.